Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 11th of January 2017. So yesterday the market managed to move back to the upside. I sent a note out when we saw the market breaking through the 19,950, and as ever that put the death knell on the job, and the market came all the way back. So it seems that every time I send out a note about the market going to 20,000, it stops, reverses and moves back, which is quite interesting. I mean, nothing to do with it, but just as an aside there, it's an interesting pattern that seems to be opening up there. So yeah, we had this one trade that traded up, and then you can see the market came back. Now yesterday I was in Birmingham with Nick Late in a meeting. He had a copy of my original book, which I'll overlay on this video. No longer available, way back 1995. But I was thinking about something that was in there last night that I'd not looked at, and we tend not to look at it because the markets, it's to do with the volume of trades, and the trouble is with live trades you don't get real volume, you get what's called tick volume, and it's every tick is classed as activity then converted to volume. But I was thinking about the market and something that was in there. I'm not going to give it away in this video because I want to get the chart from the book just to prove what I actually then came home last night. We went out dancing as usual on a Tuesday night, and then when I came back, normally I would just clear off to bed, but I decided to do some research in the old software that I've got going way back, with data going all the way back, and I spotted something that I haven't seen since 1994, and like I say, I'm going to reveal that in a separate video. And all I'm going to say here is the big boys are offloading, and what you're seeing here, why we're not breaking the 20,000, along with the option strike price and all of the other things that you can see behind all of this, they are churning and holding the market and offloading their positions, guaranteed. And when I show you this tomorrow, you will see exactly why they are doing what they're doing. They're waiting for Trump. They're using this to offload. They're going to 20,000 once, and then we're going to see the market move to the downside. As I've said before, they despise Trump, the elite, the liberals, whatever. They absolutely despise him, and you know they're going to ratchet up all of the propaganda against him and everything else once he's in. And the market, of course, is a great way to even put more pressure on him as well. But being the crooks that they are, they're offloading their stocks and they're churning the market. Actually, the official term is distribution. So they're distributing their stocks whilst holding the market on the highs, and that's why we're seeing this sideways move, the churning. Now, you won't see it in this volume, but you will in the chart I show you tomorrow. And what they're doing is they bring the market up, they sell, they bring it back, it comes back down because of the selling, they bring it back up. And this is what they do, and we've been seeing this now for the last month. You can't do this in 5 minutes. When you hold millions of dollars or pounds worth of stocks, you have to do it slowly because it creates attention, and of course you don't want to let anybody else know that you're actually offloading. So again, in this video I will show you exactly what's going on and how this went on in 1994, 1998. But there is a chart, and I've got to track it down. I can't guarantee I'll have it, but I'm sure it's in the very first book that I wrote about, when I wrote about how the market actually worked. And again, this will just back up what you're going to see happening at the moment in the stock markets at this time. Obviously, the reasoning behind why they're doing it is completely different this time. I mean, we're 23 years away from that, but the same pattern is unfolding there. To the point, I have to say, I spent most of the night thinking about this. It also happened in Japan as well in '89, before the market never recovered. So a very interesting day ahead for me in putting all the pieces together, everything for you for tomorrow. I might do it as a separate video as well, but like I say, it's down to getting the cooperative chart to back it up, because I can't find the chart that I used years ago, but I do know it was in this book, the original book that Nick had with him yesterday. Right, so daily chart, don't need to say any more because that's exactly what's going on at the moment. Market sideways, trying to bring it back again once more. News wise, what have we got? I think FOMC today, isn't it? Dudley speaking, yep. That's at 6:20, 4 o'clock. You've got Trump's actually going to be speaking now. It's going to be interesting to see how the market reacts to him, because we have got the so-called Trumpian rally going on at the moment, or have done since he was elected on November the 8th. So this will be a good test to see how prices react when he speaks, and that is at 4 p.m. So don't be in the market at 4 p.m. High impact news item that'll be followed. That follows the crude oil inventories. And Barmy Carney's out as well at 2:15 as well, 15 minutes before the market opens. So they're doing whatever they can today. We've got a few big guns out apart from Dudley, but certainly interesting from 2:15. So expect the market to be quiet before this all starts to kick off later on this afternoon. On the implied volatility, 1034. Again, this is why this is sideways now. It's all making sense. The pieces in the jigsaw are coming together quite nicely. And that's it. I'm off to gather all this other information for the video that I want to show you why I believe this is the top that we have in place now, based upon something that happened 23 years ago. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in tomorrow's, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.